Hello, and welcome to this quiet space made just for you. If you're a caregiver, whether part-time, full-time, or somewhere in between, this moment is yours. A few minutes to breathe, a few minutes to forgive yourself. Let's begin by finding stillness. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. You're safe here. Let your attention gently rest on your breath. You don't need to change it. Just notice it. Inhale. Exhale. Each breath is a small act of care for you. Not your loved one, not your to-do list, just you. Now gently bring to mind the weight you've been carrying. Maybe it's the guilt of missing an appointment, losing your patience, feeling tired when they need you most. Let's say this together in your mind. I'm doing the best I can with what I have. My love shows up in many forms, even if I'm not perfect. I forgive myself for not being everything all the time. Breathe in forgiveness. Breathe out guilt. Now imagine placing that guilt into a small paper boat. Set it gently into a stream. Watch it float away, softly, slowly, peacefully. It's not yours to carry anymore. You're allowed to be human. Today, you cared. Even in the moments you doubted yourself, you showed up. And that is more than enough. Take one last deep breath. Thank yourself for pausing. When you're ready, return gently to your day. Lighter, kinder, freer.